I've hit my goal of losing 90 pounds on Mounjaro, but now what is the next step? Accidentally, I became an influencer. Not something I ever meant to do, but often you get sent things from companies to try, and when I found this one by Advanced Food Labs, I definitely wanted to give it a try. Their premium test, which means that it's gonna test for food sensitivity, vitamins, and things like that. I've always wondered, like, do I have bigger issues going on with my body? And so when they asked if I was interested in finding out, I was like, yes, open this together because, okay. Let's see what you have to do for this, because I don't know. Restore faith in your diet, body, and health. Check, check, and check. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, kit comes with mailing label, directions, sample bag, envelope. Okay, first step, I'm going to register the kit. Second, I'm gonna cut 10 strands of hair. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very scared. Very scared. Got it. Said strands in the bag. Okay, and the company says that you get the results within 72 hours of them getting it. Stay tuned.